Sarah, I know what to do. Let me wash your face with antibacterial wet wipes.
Thank you, Mommy. What about Kate? I need to help her as well. Kate, take it. These wipes are antibacterial. Thank you, Sarah. You need always close your mouth when you sneeze.